Hail and welcome to Witchcraft Perfume. In this video, I will be giving some first impressions of Dark Tales and unboxing their discovery set. Dark Tales is an alternative perfumery inspired by dark history and gothic novels, founded by Arina P. Franzén. I've been wanting to try their scents for some time now, and I finally got around to it. They have a lovely shop in Uppsala, and I was able to go there and buy from them directly. The shop itself holds true to its name, dark, gothic and Victorian, and each object of decoration seemed to tell their own dark story. If Vanessa Ives from Penny Dreadful had a shop, it would probably look like this. Great customer service. We, meaning me and my husband, were met by Arina's husband, who gave us tips and insights into the various scents. The air in the shop was actually free from scents, so we were able to fully experience some of them by just lifting and smelling in the funnels. In coming videos, I will be reviewing all of the scents from the discovery set when I've had a chance to get to know them better. So I got my discovery set. I started to walk the long journey home to my old castle deep in the woods. No, not really a castle, but our house used to be a chapel once, so maybe that counts for something. Anyway, candlelight felt mandatory opening this beautiful box. It was smaller than I imagined, but that actually turned out to be a plus, and I will tell you why in a minute. The front of the box has an image of a dragon and a griffin meeting in a friendly gesture with their paws. The symbology seems alchemical with the union of two mythical beasts, but I don't know enough about alchemy to know if that is the case. The dragon and the griffin are framed in by plants and stars on a background as dark as the night sky. There are 16 small bottles in different colors, and they look like they would be found in an old forgotten laboratory of an alchemist who's desperately trying to create the Philosopher's Stone. And the best part about this, why I like that it is small, I absolutely love that it looks like an alchemist bookshelf in miniature. And I'm pretty sure this was intentional, and it was so beautiful. Having a love of miniatures, especially leaning towards the dark and mysterious, this was perfect for me. It kind of makes me wish that the ribbon used to draw it out of the box was on this other side of the shelf, so it was possible to hang it directly on the wall, but I do understand the practicality behind it. This way they are not upside down when you pull them out of the box. So, in other videos, I will be reviewing all these perfumes one by one, and I hope to see you again when I do.